All packed up. Let's go camping. Painted our wheels. So let's go.
Come here after a long time. Can you guess the place? Shipwreck Beach. It's about 5:30 p.m. There we go. Found the spot where we'll camp. Here it is. So we'll set up our tent on the other side of the car with the beach view. Hello.
You can get rid of your mask and put it in the car and collect dry wood, please.
Now he needs to sit now. He's broken his toe. He slipped and he fell and he broke his baby toe. So he's limping right now. Okay, take the chair and go to your special area. If you need assistance, please let us know.
Water Explorer. Wow.
Don't know whose eggs are these.
Wait, Google Lens will tell us.
So we found out whose eggs are these.
So this, as per Wikipedia, this is Wilson plover. Blah blah ideas. Wilson birds of the world.
Show the bird.
The bird is this guy.
Water.
Wader.
Water.
Good finding, Mama Explorer.
Thank you.
So now let's not do anything to them. Let's move
Every
on.
time we come to Shipwreck, we have some different.
Experience.
Yeah.
We once met a black scorpion here.
Time to unpack the stuff, unload the eggs, and start assembling the table, chairs. So that was set up, not all of it. We still need to set up the tent and all. Now we're gonna enjoy the sunset. You're gonna love that time-lapse video of sunset. Let me set it up. Time to witness the sunset. Ain't it beautiful? Hope you guys enjoyed that sunset from Shipwreck Beach. That's our grill. I've collected some wood. We've collected some wood.
I collected those, right?
Yes, you did. So let's get working on this guy now.
So, Father Explorer is setting up the fire while Mommy Explorer is doing something. I don't know what. That's our wood collection. Father Explorer through
It worked. Go back, please.
fire is getting huge already.
Fire is set.
Sister Explorer, there's a perfectly good chair over here.
No worries. Fire is set. Time to set up food.
I didn't know that fire was set. I just now found out.
Yeah.
Stop stating the obvious.
Please state the unobvious, or what you call. Yeah, your strings are out.
I know.
Put them in.
No, it's a fashion statement.
Time to cook. Okay, what is it? Oil.
Ginger.
Cumin seed, jeera,
Asafoetida.
hing,
Asafoetida.
green chili.
Why are we giving them all free cooking?
I'm not giving them for free.
We're asking them to subscribe us.
We are just
Yeah.
asking them to subscribe.
If you want a cooking recipe, you have to subscribe. Yeah.
And since we forgot our knife this time,
You have? Okay, good. Congrats on subscribe.
we are using hands.
Yeah, because your hands are basically knives. Where are the? Yeah, that's painful. Think of that next time you slap.
We'll chop that out of it. Time to saute them. Time to saute these.
Okay. Where are the wet wipes? In your head.
Time to put some potato. These potato we boiled at home, not this time in the fire. So half work was done at home, half work is being done here. Time to saute the potato and the masala. Which is just now.
Yeah.
You can pick it up. No, leave it there. Namak swad anusar, salt to taste.
Dum aloo masala.
The secret ingredient. Prayagraj, specifically from Prayagraj. Dum aloo masala. The special ingredient.
We're not using spoon today.
Okay, Sun Explore, can you please pick up that salt and put it on the table? Just follow. Close it and put it.
Here you go, dear comrade.
Yeah, so sauteing the special masala along with potato. Now you can serve this dried up like this, or let me stop drooling. Or we'll put some water in it, right? We'll put some water in it.
But later, first let's roast them.
Not now, a little later, let them be roasted. Amchur powder, mango powder, khatai, what we call it as. Again, as much as you like to taste, basically.
Dum aloo masala.
Again, sauteing it.
We'll add a little bit water right now so that it doesn't get stuck to the.
I'm drooling already. I want.
Not done, Amin. We'll put more water now. Now we're gonna lid it up as well, right?
Yeah.
Now lid it up, please.
Smell. I'm hungry.
It's ready now. You can serve it hot, or
Piping.
maybe wait for it a little while to get cold, because this is gonna burn your tongue. Okay. Time to set up the tent. Good night from Shipwreck. See you all tomorrow morning.